In this video, I want to give the FlashDry absorbent pads a test. The brand sent these to me for free for my review, and I want to give you my honest opinion on how these work. I'm in my garage. I've done a lot of auto repair in this garage, and there are places where I've spilled fluids on the floor. And so I'm looking forward to how this is going to absorb it. In the past, I have used paper towels, even shop towels, which are very absorbent. But with the FlashDry, it's much thicker, and I like how it comes in these 13.5 by 17.5 rectangles, so they're easy to put in the engine bay, underneath the car even. They also work in the kitchen, industrial situations, and so I want to test it with water, coolant, and oil in a couple of different situations, and we'll see how those do. So let's get into that test and see how this pad performs. So we'll start by putting just a puddle of water, and I'm going to test it with oil and coolant in just a minute. So let's put a pad down, and it will absorb very quickly. And if I were to put another pad down, it would get this puddling very quickly in the case if you had a slope and it was running towards another area. But I can just put this pad down here on the other area where it's puddling, and it contains it very well. Now, is it going to absorb everything? No, it is saturated, but at least it's going to help contain whatever fluid it is that you have spilled on the ground. So a little different scenario here. We will try it with motor oil, which is thicker than water, and so I'll pour some here, and you can see my concrete in my garage is very rough, so it's really a pain to clean once things get on it. So as you can see, this did stop the majority of the oil. There's just a few little spots underneath. So I'm going to put some cardboard under for some more intense testing here. So motor oil again on there, and I'm going to compare it with a shop towel, which is actually very absorbent. And then here's some auto coolant that I'm going to also test, which is going to be more similar to water than oil, and then just here regular water. And I'm trying to put similar amounts on both of these surfaces. After 3 minutes, you can see how it's really soaked through with the shop towels and kind of spread out a lot with these shop towels. So obviously there's still there's some that got through. Now this did pass through the FlashDry pad, but not nearly as much, and you can see the spot on the pad is much smaller, so this just has a lot more absorbance than the shop towels. So let me just try it with the motor oil, just so you can see it again in a different test, and I'll put similar amounts on both the shop towel and the FlashDry pad. So here we go with the oil on the shop towel, and quite a bit gets through, and it's puddled pretty well. Oil does get through on the other side, but it's not nearly as puddled. And so here's another good amount of oil on the FlashDry pad with some cardboard underneath. And let's see what happens. It did pass through, but it got the majority of it. So very, very absorbent with fluids that are similar to motor oil. So this definitely does mitigate a lot of that in my test. So I really do appreciate how much it absorbed. So now with the coolant, we'll put more coolant on here just to see how it's going to fare, and let's pick it up. And it did get a good amount, but because the coolant has a different type of viscosity than oil, more of it will get through. So here's some water, and you can see how the water just kind of quickly absorbs into it, and I put a good amount of water on there, and you can see some did get through, but not nearly as much as if we were working with like a shop towel. So overall, we saw how this pad mitigated fluids in different situations, especially when you've got a puddle of fluid on the floor, as I did with the water, and you can see how this really keeps that puddle from moving to different areas, or you just get the bulk of the puddle contained with these pads. And so that is where I feel like this really shines, though it is very absorbent and it really does reduce the amount of fluids that do get through it. I would still probably put cardboard or something else down underneath this if I'm working in my garage, because my garage floor is just very difficult to clean. But I'm glad that I can have these on hand now to really save me a lot of shop towels, because I could go through a lot of these before I go through just one or two of these. These are disposable, so you would, once you're done, you would just properly dispose them. You could even cut it into smaller pieces if you need it for smaller applications. Again, I appreciate the brand sending these out for my review, and I highly recommend these FlashDry pads. So hopefully this helps you in your purchasing decision. I appreciate you watching my review.